Stu Barr is on the water. Here comes Don Ferretti. And there goes Don Ferretti. There goes Alan Ewing. Waiting for one more boat. We're down to 1 minute and 4. Waiting on one boat. Waiting on Graham Lathan. It's going to be a good heat, folks. There's some fast boats in this heat. It's going to be a really good heat. Okay, we're down to 439. You're on to 30. 25. 19. 15. 10. 5. Okay, the first 3 boats are over. We have a dead boat in the front straightaway, and he was the only legal boat. We have another dead boat off of 3 wide. There's a start for Stu Barr, a start for Don Ferretti.
Dead boat wide.
We got a dead boat wide off 3 and a dead boat right in the middle of front straightaway. Oh, right there. 1 down for Stu. 1 down for Don Ferretti in second place.
Hey.
3 down. 3 down for Ferretti. Four down for Stu. 4 down for Ferretti. Ferretti's coming, he's charging. Last lap for your leader, Stu Barr. Last lap for Don Ferretti. Threading the needle. And here comes your first place, Stu Barr. Second place, Don Ferretti. All right, guys, bring him in. Good heat. I would have never thought I would have saw a twin blow over in the front straightaway here, but you just saw it. All right, let's get them wound down and brought in so we can get the retrieve boat out.
This event was sponsored in part by CMB Motors. CMB Greenhead. It's even better on the water.